Welcome back to GJD. Today we're going to show you a very simple grasshopper definition to make a teardrop. This is what I call the wireframe design. So let me change few views. Let me turn off the grid. And here is the front. I have a diamond on the bottom. Let me move down so that it matches right there. So as you can see, everything is in wireframe for now. It makes my definition really fast. So up here I can set the number of columns. I can also set the radius both in X and Y. And let me reduce just a little bit. And I can push the top just a little bit higher there, so I can stretch the tear. Let me see the top. Change the radius. Change it over here just a little bit. I can also change, let me see, yeah, the bottom. I have that possibility too. Quite simple. So you have the freedom to play with all these sizes at any moment. So once you like the shape, you can set some horizontal cross sections, as many as you want, along the Z-axis. But you can stretch that Z-axis, so you can control not only the number of cross sections, but where you want to place those cross sections. So this looks like a basket, right? So it's up to you. It's up to you. You have to find. There, let me stretch. You have to find the form that you like. Let me just rotate just a little bit. Right here. Rotate the top. There, you can twist it just a little bit. It might give you that final touch. Even the bottom, you can rotate it too. There. So you have a lot of flexibility. Okay, let me stretch. There. Let me set this one back to 0 and the bottom to 0, so that we could start from scratch. There. So let's say this is what you like. So as you know, everything is in wireframe. So now I'm going to turn on the solids. So let's say if we want to use, let me move my definition just a little bit. Up there, notice that I can say show me the pipes, show me, you know, the thickness. So now you can change the radius of the pipe on the top, the radius of the pipe on the bottom, there, and now you have the possibility to change the thickness of the cross sections up and down. It's up to you. The vertical columns also, you can increase the number, and you can twist just a little bit the top. So you see, you have control of every little detail. It's just endless the number of forms that you could find with this definition. There. Let me increase the number, so that looks really nice. Let me go back to maybe 5 or 8. Let me set it back to 0. And notice that up here I have the possibility to set it to rectangles also. So not only pipes, but also rectangles. So you can set the diameter, and this is where you can do a small fillet. Okay. So if you're gonna work with rectangles, you have to move the definition a little bit higher, and there you start to play with the rectangle, the size. Let me rotate it so that you have a better look. Look at the fillet, the edges, and you can even manipulate the size of all those columns and the fillet, right? You can even rotate them.